What's that you say? Oh, this is the Hoverpen 2.0 by Novium. What is up, guys? Mikey Messina here with Mikeydailycarry. I hope you've been well. If you're new to the channel, welcome. On here, I do reviews on everyday carry gear and gadgets that help me live a more aware and prepared life. Today, I'm going to be talking about the Hoverpen 2.0 by Novium, and that is this concoction right here. It just spins and hovers in place like so. It's made by aircraft alloy and it has a very unique aesthetic. So this is the pen itself. It has a clip here which just hooks on as a magnet and it shuts it closed just like that so your pen doesn't dry out. This is very cool for gifts and just desk art. If you're into that stuff, or if you know that someone is, you can get that for them. This is the basic model. It's just all black. This is the housing that comes with it, which just sits on the desk like so, and this pen just hovers over like that. It also has a fidget actuator to it, which is very fun because it can spin for a very long time. And it's so fascinating when it's just sitting on your desk and you're twiddling around, and you're trying to find things to just tinker with. This is a great tinker toy. The ink on this pen is very nice. It actually came with a tool that clamps onto the actual tip itself and pulls it out so that way you can refill it with another one. Let me just show you guys how it writes. I love the writing. Thank you, Novium, for sending me this pen. It's very cool. I've been fidgeting with it, and I just love having this on my desk. Like I said, it's a very great gift for your dad, brother, mom, sister, friend, coworker, whoever it may be. It's just a very nice thing to have on the table, fidget with, grab, start writing with, and bam. That is the Hoverpen 2.0 Space Black by Novium. Very nice and neat. I will make sure I link it in the description below. If you guys feel like you need one of these, or maybe you do have one, comment down below. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are. Mikey Messina here with Mikeydailycarry. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.